Well guys, we are currently about 24 hours into the challenge, and as we can see right here, Bitcoin has been dipping a little bit more and is currently finding support on a GRU level of support. But more importantly, because of the dip in Bitcoin, also altcoins have been dipping a little bit more. But luckily for us, I have been anticipating a further dip for altcoins, and that is why I kept $2,000 in the bag to DCA some more into my positions if altcoins were dipping a bit more. And so far they have, especially Phantom has, because there has been coming out some fundamental news about Phantom, a little bit of FUD around Phantom, so that is why it is dipping. But I still have a lot of faith in this project, so that is why I will also be DCAing into Phantom, especially into Phantom, because as we can see, if we look on the daily time frame and we remove this and that, we can see that Phantom is actually starting to trade near this massive support zone right here. And this zone right here is something where I will be very interested into buying a lot of Phantom. So that's the first thing that we're going to do. So there we are. Phantom, I'm gonna buy $300 worth of Phantom right now, and I'm also gonna put a buy order at $1.31 right above the massive support zone. And if Phantom reaches that price, I want to buy 250 more Phantom, which is equal to $327.5. So that's what I'm doing currently with Phantom. So as we can see, also CRV has been dipping quite a bit because we already lost $120 on CRV. We still have 1700 USD left. Let's take a look at CRV. If we zoom out a little bit on towards the CRV chart, we can also see that CRV is nearing that very interesting support zone right here. And that is where I will be very interested into buying a lot more of CRV. But we can also see that $2 will act as a massive support zone right here. So that is why I'm DCAing into CRV as well. So let's move over towards CRV. So I will be buying 200 USDT worth of CRV right now, and I'm also gonna put a buy order at $1.90 for CRV, and if CRV reaches that price, I will be putting in, wait, that's the wrong one, I will be putting in 228 USDT more into CRV worth 120 CRV if the price reaches $1.90. Which of course I cannot predict the future, but it is still possible. So I'm putting a buy order there for CRV as well. So after 24 hours approximately, this is the current state of our portfolio. I still have $1,500 left, in which I've put some orders in for Phantom and CRV, as you can see. XRP and Atom are still about break even, so I'm not touching those right now. I'm just gonna wait and see what the market does, and I will update you guys when needed. Hello guys, there we are again. It is still about 40 hours after we started the challenge. We are still in about $450 drawdown, but I spotted something very interesting on Chainlink. Right here on the USDT pair, we are forming a big inverse head and shoulders, which is usually a reversal pattern, also being formed on a massive level of support, as you can see, the golden box right here. So I'm expecting that to break out towards the upside. And on the other hand, on the Bitcoin pair, we are forming a beautiful symmetrical triangle with decreasing volume, nice touching points on the trend line. So this should be a valid symmetrical triangle, as a lot of people will see this as a continuation pattern towards the downside. I am looking to trade it towards the upside because it usually breaks out not towards the side the most amount of people are expecting it to, and the price target is aligning perfectly with this volume level right here at 4,150 sets. So we still have about $1,500 US in the bank. I'm gonna buy some Chainlink, as you can see right here, link against USDT. I'm gonna buy $1,000 US worth of Chainlink, approximately $944 worth of Chainlink. But so this is right now the current state of our portfolio. We have Link, Atom, XRP, Phantom and CRV in there, and we still have about $555 US to spend. And I will be updating you guys when needed, of course. As you guys can see here, we are currently in about $1,000 drawdown, even though we are in 10% drawdown on our 10k invested. I'm still gonna pull out a little bit of the money, about half of it, because I am expecting us to go a bit lower and I want to buy back lower. So I'm gonna sell half of my positions right now and buy back if we are lower. And if we are going higher and I think we get the confirmation we need, I will also be buying back. But I just want to be waiting for confirmation of the market right now before stepping in again with half of my money. So about 5 days into the challenge, this is the current state of our portfolio. We are mainly in about 10% drawdown because of Phantom. As we all know, Phantom took a big hit because of some fundamental news that came out. And by the way, sorry for my voice, but I am a little bit sick. Yeah, so that's mainly because of Phantom, but I'm still not worried about Phantom. I think it still has a lot of potential, so I will also be buying back Phantom. I'm just gonna wait for Bitcoin to see what it does, and I will be buying back at a better entry point for our altcoins. Alright guys, as you can see, this is the current state of our portfolio, and I am gonna buy back into my positions right now, because as you can see, well, this is now on the 1 minute time frame, but it should be in the 1 hour. This continuation pattern is kind of breaking out, and I am leaning a little bit more towards the bullish side right now, and I don't want to miss out on possible gains. So I am gonna buy back into my positions, and I will update you guys when I have. So I am buying into CRV with quite a bit of my money, because CRV has been breaking out of a massive falling wedge. I'm also gonna buy into Atom, which I am expecting to see a lot more upside in the future. And I'm also gonna buy some EGLD, Elrond, which is also looking like it could be up for a new leg towards the upside. So if we look at our current portfolio, this is the state of it. These are my holdings, and these coins are what I expect to be the next runners for the upcoming bull run, in my opinion. I have a lot of faith in those coins, so let's see how it plays out, and I will update you guys when it's needed, when I'm taking some profits. And if you want to stay up to date on every move that I make sure to join our YouTube, join our Discord. We have an open Discord, and we also have a private Discord where I am also sharing every move that I make the second that I make it on this journey towards 100k with this 10k. So make sure to check out that VIP channel as well, and then I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.